Hi everyone. Today we'll see the market analysis, how market has been behaved on 4th December and the plan for 5th December. So we have seen a drastic change after nearly 1.5 year. Around we have seen more than 1300 points change in April 2022. So after that today we have seen around 600 points in our bank nifty moment. So it's been a 1.5 year moment that we have seen a longer one-sided momentum. So if you see the market opened today, entire moment is related to a fundamental news which is related to our leading ruling party has won around three states of BJP elections, which is covered almost 12% of their voting percentage to increase their weightage for next 2024. So due to this, the market usually, if ruling party wants this elections or something, so why it is impacting on the stock market in the sense the business persons who is going to invest, so they have a multiple alignments related to the government authorizations or the lines which is provided by the ruling government. So if the ruling government is available for next 5 years, so they are going to extend their income, and they are going to put their again more investment in the existing products. So that's why it will favor always to the stock market if ruling party wants. So this is the reason we have seen a drastic change and one-sided momentum in our market today. If you see here today market, let me close my CPR. Okay, so if you see today market, bank nifty opened on a flat, I mean around 800 to 900 points it is open, but taken mostly until 12 it taken a range bound. See, we didn't, I was expecting it will be in a range bound because it was in a day high. And also in daily candle I have seen one thing on a daily time frame. So I have seen one resistance exactly around 46,080. So this is the place I have seen one resistance where we can see this is the place where we have seen resistance after filling the gap, but exactly it moved and broken and formed a all time high in a bank nifty. So 2 days back itself nifty covered the all time high, now it's a bank nifty range. So if you see here, to fill this gap, exactly we have a gap formed in a month ago, 2 months ago. So to fill this gap, market formed a gap again and then covered and formed a all time high. So today I cannot expect, tomorrow I cannot expect much momentum even if it is open on a gap up, because PCR is 1 is to 6. So even if market opens on a gap up, it couldn't able to sustain, it will come on a retest. So it should take some consolidation phase and then momentum. Today it's not like a technical, it's just totally on a fundamental news. But technical wise, a PCR is 1.6, that we cannot expect a much momentum today tomorrow. So let us see now in a nifty on a 1 hour time frame, sorry, daily time frame, it is daily, it's becoming a 90 degrees. See here, so it should not be the case of a market, so it should take some retest or a momentum. I'll accept this as a fall, but not in a rising market. Rising market always should take a retest and then move to a next levels. So when it comes to a 15 minutes on a bank nifty, so I don't have an higher levels for tomorrow. Let me show you on a 15 minutes. I don't have a, because as it is an all time high, we don't have a much levels on a upper side. Let me remove my drawings and then shut my indicators. Okay, hope okay, let me show you the 15 minutes. So if market opens, we have a ranges here. So this will act as a very strong resistance if market forms falls at the gap down opening. So this will be waking. So let me mark this as a all time high. So if market opens in a range, in between the range, I'm expecting little gap down, because even if it opens on a gap up, market will have a profit booking. So if it opens in this range, so market opens on a flat range and comes inside this bound, so we can expect on a range bound. So if this breaks, then again we can see the target as this one. But I'm expecting won't much fall, but expecting a range bound until it opens in a gap down momentum. So this will be a targets, so expecting by this week to fill this gap. So because this is not a proper breakdown or breakout momentum. When it comes to a nifty in a range, so same case in the nifty, this will be acting as a very strong resistance, 2520. So if this breaks, then we can expect a sharp very sharp momentum to the downside to fill the gap. Then we can see the target around, so these are the ranges we have seen. So today, however, once it's broken the range today, so as I said, after opening the market, it taken a 1 or 2 hours to set it into a one side momentum. So that time bank nifty was in a range bound, but nifty given a downside momentum. So that time, here once it taken a day high breakout, so it given a more than 110 points above range, after opening. So market is around closed for 400 points in a nifty, and bank nifty 1600, and fin nifty it's also 600 points in fin nifty is too much. And coming to mid cap is didn't move that much, it's around 100 points, or but from past 1 month this also didn't even taken a retest mid cap. So this is also going on a one side momentum. So what is the plan for Nifties tomorrow? So we are expecting both should cover a gap which was available in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So everything is covered now. So all gaps has been filled in upper side, which is having been on a past month. So now the gap has to fill on a downside. So we can expect a bloodbath within a 2 to 3 weeks. So either between or below, on or before 20, on or before 20 after that. So let us see, and downside, only gap filling if it breaks around 20,024. So I just want to share you one more thing. If you see around April 4th April 2022 market on a bank nifty, let me show you on a daily candle. I have seen a similar case. So we can expect a similar kind of pattern tomorrow. So it's 2022 2022 April. Yep. Yeah, 4th April. If you see here, this is the highest gap which was available that time. So exactly on the market top level, market formed with the gap. See, exactly with the gap it formed. Let me make it more clear. So with the gap it formed. So this is the one with the gap it formed. Next day, immediately on a flat opening, it covered this gap. So I'm not sure exactly the news about this on April, but I have seen exactly on the top. So market couldn't able to sustain, and a flat opening, it given a downside momentum. So instead of this big candle, I'm expecting some candle cover or like a inside candle pattern tomorrow, because uh, it won't cover more than I mean a big candle. So it should take some inside candle process. So I'm expecting this is the pattern on a higher time frame for tomorrow. See exactly around if it open on a green candle on a higher time frame, so maximum it will form a inside candle. So hope, please be aware and do these checks when we are doing on a all time high, because we don't have any higher time frame resistance here. So tomorrow is a fin nifty expiry. Please be cautious and work on that. Thank you. So we'll meet on tomorrow's analysis call.